Hello ma'am, my name is Charming Sicantorna, 29 years old, married but separate with my husband. I have two children, 12 years old and 7 years old. My father and mother taking care of my kids. I'm from Philippines. I work as domestic helper in Singapore 2 years and 3 months. I taking care of 3 years old and newborn baby. If I wake up in the morning, I prepare the things of 3 years old girl to going to school. I bath her, change clothes, and prepare food in the morning. And we go to playground and I play with her. The newborn change diaper if the diaper is wet, and I change clothes, clean the bottles, make milk, and I have a good relationship with kids. I want to work in Hong Kong to support my family and my kids, and if you hire me, mom, I will do my best to do my job well, and I do all the household chores like mopping, cleaning the house, washing dishes, washing clothes, ironing, and I know how to cook Filipino food and simple Chinese food. And I'm willing to learn hardworking and Hong Kong dishes and patient and procedure. I hope you like me. Thank you, mom. Have a good day.